Hi friends, in this video we are discussing volume integral definition and volume integral form also, right? You see, in the previous videos we have discussed line integral, surface integral, and this volume integral is also one of the important topic in the vector integral calculus. So based on this we have applications, right? Anyway, volume integral definition is any integral which is to be evaluated over a volume is called a volume integral. Over a volume, we are integrating over a volume is called volume integral. That's it. Here friends, you have two types of the volume, so you can integrate for scalar point function, and also you can do the volume integral for the vector point function. Okay, now you see friends, here this is nothing but volume integral is one type of the triple integral only. Anyway, I am going to discuss right now. If V is a volume bounded by the surface S, then the triple integral V pi dv and triple integral V f bar dv are called volume integrals. That's it. You see friends, now we are doing volume integral for the scalar. Integral of the scalar gives what? Scalar. Next, integral of the f bar is a vector here. Integral of the vector gives a vector. Because we will solve these type of the problems. These two forms we have in the vector volume integrals. Now, also you can write, suppose this volume V, if we are divided into small cuboids by the drawing planes parallel to the coordinate planes, nothing but x plane, y plane, z plane, x, y, z plane, if you are divided, then dv you can write as dx dy dz. When you are dividing the volume into small cuboids in the coordinate planes, then you can write dv is equal to dx dy dz. In this case, first surface, first one we have na first form, triple integral V pi dv you can write as triple integral V pi dx dy dz. Okay, now if second form, if f bar is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k be a vector point function where f1, f2, f3 are continuous functions, then we can write this triple integral V f bar dv. How you can write triple integral V f1i plus f2j plus f3k into dx dy dz. Now you can separate this one. Then in this case you will have f1i into dx dy dz plus j into f2 into dx dy dz plus k into f3 times of dx dy dz. So this is the triple integral of nothing but a volume integral. How to evaluate? Is it clear? Right?